Hi there. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to send money from your PayPal account to Binance, fast and easy, even in 2025. And just so you know, this is my avatar speaking, not me personally. But if you get stuck or have questions, drop a comment and the real me will help you out. First, a quick heads up. PayPal and Binance don't connect directly. That means you can't just add PayPal as a payment method on Binance. But don't worry. I'll show you 3 methods that work. Method 1. Use Binance P2P Marketplace. Open the Binance app or website and log in. Tap on P2P Trading. Choose the crypto you want, like USDT or BTC. Tap the filter icon and set your payment method to PayPal. Pick a trusted seller from the list. Enter the amount you want to buy and place the order. The seller will give you their PayPal email. Open PayPal, tap Send Money, and choose Friends and Family. If available, mark the payment as sent, and the crypto will be released to your Binance wallet. Method 2. Use an exchange platform in between. Send PayPal funds to a crypto exchange that accepts PayPal, like Coinbase. Buy your crypto there. Then transfer the crypto from that exchange to your Binance wallet. Method 3. Use a crypto-friendly card linked to PayPal. If you have a Visa or MasterCard that supports crypto, link it to PayPal. Use that card to buy crypto directly from a platform that supports it. Important tips. Always trade with verified sellers. Double-check payment details before sending. Keep screenshots of your transactions. Avoid sending PayPal payments as goods and services unless the seller says so. Never trust random sellers on social media. That's it. You now know how to transfer money from PayPal to Binance safely and easily. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.